Oh.
Thank you for all the bubbles, Julie.
You're welcome. It was fun.
Yeah.
Come on, Sissy. It's time for us to go.
Oh.
Bye, everybody. Bye, Barney.
Bye-bye, Baby Bop. Bye, DJ. See you later. Bye-bye. Oh, surprising Baby Bop with all of those bubbles was a very nice thing to do, Julie.
Aw, I will be, Derek. Thank you. I love you, you love me. We're a happy family with a great big hug and a kiss from me to you. Won't you say you love me too?
I love you, you love me. We're best friends like friends should be. With a great big hug and a kiss from me to you. Won't you say you love me too?
Thanks, Barney. See you later.
And thanks for showing me that taking turns is fun, Barney.
Oh, you're welcome, Juan.
See you soon.
See you later. Bye-bye.